بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الطلاب إلى درس من الدروس المصورة لمادة اللغة الإنجليزية للصف السادس الابتدائي. Module 2. Let's talk. Students book page 24. Workbook page 18. Our objectives today are to talk about free time activities and to talk about the past.
Module 2. Let's talk. 1. Vocabulary. Mix. Soft. Dough.
We are going to study adverbs of sequence. We use adverbs of sequence to tell people the order. These are first, next, then, after that, and finally. We use adverbs of sequence with recipe. If we want to make a recipe, we use first, second, then, after that, and finally. Here a cook is wanted to make pasta. How did the cook make his own pasta? Look, first he put 2 cups of flour in a bowl. Second or next, he cracked 2 eggs into the bowl. Then he beat the eggs and the flour with a fork. After that, his dough was ready. He rolled it out to make a thin sheet and cut it in different shapes. Finally, he cooked the pasta for 8 minutes. Now we have a recipe to make chocolate biscuits. Number 1, he added 1½ cups of flour and mixed it all until he had a soft dough. Number 2, he melted the butter and put it in a bowl. Number 3, he baked them for 8 to 10 minutes and the biscuits were ready. He cut the chocolate into small pieces and added it to the mixture. He added some sugar and some orange juice to the batter and mixed well. Now we want to match the pictures with the steps. Number 1. Which picture is number 1? Yes, these. We add 1½ cups of flour and mixed it all until he had a soft dough. Number 2. Number A. Yes. He melted the butter and put it in a bowl. Number 3. Yeah, he baked them for 8 to 10 minutes and the biscuits were ready. Number 4. He cut the chocolate into small pieces and added it to the mixture. The last one, number 5. He added some sugar and some orange juice to the batter and mixed well. Now open your workbook, please, page 18. Exercise number 1, read and complete. We want to fill these blanks with these words: dough, mix, and soft. Number 1, the recipe says to add 1 cup of water to 2 cups of flour and then what? Mix. Mix carefully with a spoon. Number 2, wow, this biscuits, what? Dough has got white and dark chocolate in it. The last one, number 3, the biscuits mom just took out of the oven are soft and warm. Now, exercise number 2. How did Michelle make chocolate crepes? Read the steps and put them in the correct order. Write 1 to 5. نريد أن نرتب هذه الخطوات لعمل الكريب بالترتيب الصحيح. Which sentence will we begin with? First, yes. First, she beat the eggs with the flour in a big bowl. Number 2. Which one? Yes, second, she added the milk and water to the flour mixture and mixed them all together. Then she added the butter and salt. Number 3, which one, number 3? Yes, number E. After that, she heated the pan and added a 1/4 cup of mixture. Number 4. Then she cooked the crepe for 2 minutes on both sides. The last one, number C. Finally, she put the crepe on a plate and added some strawberries and chocolate syrup on top. Now, exercise number 3, the last one. Describe how Miss Peters made a pencil holder by rewriting the steps. Remember to use first, second, next, then, after that, and finally. We need a tennis ball, a knife or pair of scissors, glue, googly eyes or a maker, and drawing pen. These are the steps and the pictures. We need to write these steps in order and put or use adverbs of sequence: first, second, next, after that, then, and finally. Can you do it? فكر بها ثم أجب. We begins with first. She cut a 5 centimeters hole in the tennis ball using a pair of scissors. Second, she pressed open the hole for a few minutes. Next, she used some glue to stick some googly eyes on the tennis ball. After that, she made a small hole at the back of the tennis ball and put the drawing pen in the hole. After that, she used glue to stick the drawing pen to the tennis ball. Finally, she put the hole on the wall and put the pencil in the mouth.